Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be giving a review and talking about the new Maxview Roam system available here in the UK now. When you're out on the road camping in your motorhome or caravan, or you might drive for a living and you might find yourself in remote areas, and it's very frustrating when you can't get onto the internet to access that really important email that you need at the time. Well, this right here might be the solution. Now at home we're all used to having super fast broadband Wi-Fi, which allows us to get on the internet, watch YouTube, and even use streaming services like Netflix or Amazon Prime. When we're in a motorhome or a caravan, we're usually in remote locations and data connectivity is very hit and miss. And even campsite Wi-Fi is not very good in most cases. Usually just browsing the internet can be a challenge, and actually streaming video is virtually impossible. Now the Maxview Roam system has been designed to give you internet connectivity in even remote and rural locations. Well, how does it do this? It uses this powerful omnidirectional roof-mounted aerial, which goes on the top of your caravan or motorhome. This picks up a signal which the small aerial in your phone simply cannot do. It then brings the signal down into your van, and this plugs into this router which is mounted inside your van using a wall-mounted bracket. So that all screws in. Now this is a commercial grade router which is factory unlocked to accept any 3G or 4G SIM card. This router then creates a secure and reliable hotspot within your van to which you can connect, I've been told, up to 50 devices to. Now I haven't tried 50 devices myself, but I have used it and been connected on about 5 devices, and it's been very reliable and it's worked really well. This router also has one Ethernet output, and they do actually supply you with a 1.5 meter cable, I believe it is in the kit. So you can actually use this to plug directly into a PC or a TV to give you an even better connection. The router works off 12 volts or mains, and both cables are included in the kit, so you can plug it straight into the cigarette lighter or in the mains cable if you're somewhere long term, for example. Now another nice feature with the Maxview Roam system is that it can also be used to connect to a Wi-Fi hotspot locally. So if you're near a cafe, for example, or if the campsite has its own Wi-Fi, this antenna on the side, again a lot stronger than the antenna built into your phone, can allow you to connect to the Wi-Fi on site, and then you can use that and save on your data allowance. Now how does this kit perform? Now I was very excited when I first came across this kit at the Dusseldorf show in 2019. I spoke to Maxview and they very kindly got a hold of one for me pretty early to do my own testing. As you all know, I do use a motorhome myself, so this is something I've been keeping my eye out on. My phone is actually with 3, and I've been in places where my 3 signal has been really poor and I'm struggling to get any data. Now using the Maxview Roam, again with the 3 SIM cards, so the testing is all fair, I've been able to connect my phone to the Maxview Roam and stream video. Now in our shop, where the 3 mobile network has been really bad lately, I actually did a test and I set up a Maxview Roam system on our counter in our shop, a bit like it is here, again using a 3 SIM card, and I was able to connect 2 devices directly to that, to the Roam system within our shop. One of the devices was streaming videos from YouTube, and the second device was streaming a movie off Sky Go. So again, it worked really well. Now there is companies that sell MiFi devices, a little bit like I think this is a Huawei, a bit like this Huawei dongle with external aerials, and they sell these as a solution for motorhomes and caravans. And to be fair, I have actually used one myself, and there's a huge difference between these 2 products, and the differences in the antennas and then obviously within the routers itself. Now these MiFi devices, they're a little bit like your phone in that you insert a SIM card, switch it on, it receives a signal and creates a hotspot. But again, the aerials built into these are not very powerful, they're fairly small. And then, like I said earlier on, some people do sell an external aerial which you can use with these, and they generally plug into, I'm not sure if you can see it, the 2 little ports at the bottom. Now the aerials plug into what we call here TS9 connectors, and these are push fit connectors, so you just push them on, and then it's different types of aerials. You can get roof mount aerials, window mounts, or just surface mount aerials. And to be quite honest with you, the aerial connections are not very good at best. When you use them, they just push in, they don't really lock in place, and generally they just pull out with their own weight themselves. Now the best part about it all is the Maxview Roam, which is a specific internet kit for mobile use. It's available with a retail price of £349, and I believe on our website direct we've got a bit of a deal going on at the moment. I will link that in the description below, so if you're interested, please have a look. So you know, £349 retail price. Now that price generally is pretty similar to what people are charging for the MiFi devices with an aerial, which is sort of a bit of a made up kit, whereas this is a specific kit for mobile use. So it's very good value for money. Now, some people, we were at the NEC recently, and you might be thinking, what about 5G? Now, 5G is the new technology in mobile phones. Now, 5G is very different to 4G and 3G in that it uses a much shorter wavelength, which means that the signal doesn't travel as far. And there isn't really very good coverage in rural locations, and I believe there's no immediate plans to sort of roll it out and build all the aerials in rural locations. And I think by the time it happens, it'll be a few years down the line. So all in all, this is a fantastic kit, priced very competitively, and it works. It actually works very well. I think this is one of those products which once you use it, buy it and use it, you really will think how the hell you got on without it. It's that good. Once again, any questions you might have, feel free to get in touch. Drop us a call, ask us a question. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel. There's a lot of videos coming soon, and I'm pretty sure you will enjoy them. Thanks for watching.